This is TAT Audion 1 and I am lazy. This is 30 cm ink giant machine. 7 days working. This is printing head area. Cupping area. Head clean. After head clean, clean the wiper. Nozzle check. The ink system is good. Every Saturday, clean the waste. ABR. Ground wire. This is a new supply. This is a new supply. And a new supply. And a new supply. Printer daily checklist. This is my printer daily checklist. Consumable in use. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white ink, 1 consume, and 1 powder consume, and DTA film 1 consume. Cleaning solution. Wholesale log sheet. October 29 and November 3. I have 29 meters this week. Thank you.